Okay, my friends, so Will here at fxace.com, and welcome to the Forex Scalping system, a simple system for consistent gains. So I just want to give you a brief overcap of what to expect in the course. Now, the course is built on 3 different strategies, okay, using the Master Scalper and the RSI divergence indicator that you get both free with the course. So there's 3 different methods for trading it, and that is in the strategy section. Okay, so you'll see 3 different methods. Okay, strategy 1 is a lot less signals but more accurate signals. Strategy 2, a lot more signals, and you're going to get a lot more signals, so you need to be focused on the charts, and you can't really trade multiple pairs with it. Strategy 3, a little bit more trades than strategy 1, but again more accurate, and you can trade multiple pairs with it. Strategy 1, you can trade multiple pairs, really any currency pair you want. Strategy 1 and strategy 3. Strategy 2, maximum 2, because you're going to be getting a lot of signals, and you're going to need to be really focused on the 5-minute charts and as the signals happen. So just bear that in mind. It's very powerful. Each system works. Each strategy works for using the Master Scalper and the RSI divergence indicator. Go through the videos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section of the course or the message section, and I will message as quickly as possible. Very unique methods, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your results. Again, anything you can tell me to improve the course, let me know when you're going through it, and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so looking forward to hearing from you. Well,